Hello everybody, it is me, classyfennekin, and first you may notice the camera's a bit further back this time. That's because I got a new tripod finally. So there's gonna be that one video, the Draw My Life thing's gonna be coming out soon. But we're here today for a different reason. So I found this at Menards. They've had these things just chilling there for a good year. Year and a half, and they were marked down, and I've been looking at them. I want at a pair of these as a backup slash road on the road pair, so I don't have to take these suckers with me everywhere. Worry about people stealing them. So I was looking for a little bit more of an affordable option, and they had these. So, we're gonna get it opened. Got my good pair of trusty scissors here. So, yep, we're just gonna unbox these. Pull this. There is the headset. Well, this one is a little bit of a nicer band than my main pair, actually. So next, I think we pull that off. And then out comes that little cable. There's a little cable thing. I think that's I actually grabbed my 360 thing. Is that to a 3.5 or does that go to a... Holy smokes, guys! I have a headset! I can use my headset with my Xbox 360 remote. Because it has the adapter on it. It's 2.5 adapter. So I can use this my headset on my 360. And there is the headphones, which actually fold up. As you can see, they actually fold up. And the cups rotate. But I could actually use a pair of headphones on my 360 now. I have a pair I could use. Or an adapter so I could use headphones on my 360 controller. So, there's the headset. There's this uber useful 2.5mm adapter. Yep, it says in the manual 360 adapter. So, there's the manual. And, pretty much that's all for this video, guys. So, if you liked today's video, sure to like, comment, subscribe, and so I thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. And bye for now. Peace.